Here's the question. If my LinkedIn account gets permanently restricted, can I create another LinkedIn account? And my job is to give you the answer to that question and nothing more. Here's the answer to the question, and it's pretty clear. It's under user agreements, under obligations, service eligibility. And the paragraph says this: to use the service, you agree that you are of the minimum age. You also agree that you will only have one LinkedIn account and it must be your real name. And thirdly, you are not already restricted by LinkedIn from using the services. That is the clear and definitive answer to the question. If my account gets permanently restricted, can I create another account? And the answer is no. What I encourage you to do is, first and foremost, make sure you're not violating the LinkedIn terms and services. Secondly, if your account has been hijacked and someone else is violating the LinkedIn terms and services, then I really encourage you to stay focused to a conversation with LinkedIn support and get your account back. But the answer to the question, can I create another one if this one gets shut down by LinkedIn? The answer is no. Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful for you.